Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can get crowns on Duolingo app. Yes, you can get crowns on Duolingo app. Now, what are crowns? Crowns are the rewards you earn after you complete a lesson successfully. Without completing a lesson successfully, you cannot earn a crown. So, what do? First thing to do is to open your Duolingo app, just like I have done here. And then you continue with your lessons. Now, to complete a lesson successfully on Duolingo, you have to ensure that you carry out all the exercises, all the learnings, and the challenges involved in each level. Once you do that successfully, you would earn a crown. And once you earn a crown, you will be able to move to the next lesson. Without the crown, you cannot move to another lesson on Duolingo. Okay, so the crowns are ways of measuring how far you've gone and how you can move to the next level. So that's all about getting crowns on Duolingo. I hope you find this helpful. Have a nice day.